Baddi uncovered a deep dive into its industrial scope, business landscape, and enduring challenges as of late 2025. Baddi, Himachal Pradesh, once a serene valley, the Baddi-Barotiwala-Nalagarh (BBN) region has transformed into a colossal industrial belt, famously recognized as one of Asia's largest pharmaceutical hubs. This phenomenal growth has created a dynamic ecosystem ripe with opportunity but also fraught with significant challenges. For any potential investor or business, understanding this duality is key to navigating its complex landscape. The scope: a diversified industrial powerhouse. Baddi's industrial identity is multifaceted, extending far beyond its pharmaceutical core. The region's strategic location, coupled with past tax incentives, has nurtured a diverse manufacturing base. Asterisk pharmaceutical dominance. This is the undisputed backbone of Baddi's economy. The area is home to hundreds of pharmaceutical companies, including global giants like Cipla, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, and Sun Pharma. The ecosystem covers the entire spectrum of pharma manufacturing, from active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, and generic formulations to specialized injectables, tablets, and capsules. Asterisk FMCG and consumer goods. A significant number of fast-moving consumer goods (FMCG) companies have established large-scale manufacturing units in Baddi, producing everything from soaps and detergents to cosmetics and personal care products. Asterisk textiles and packaging. A robust ancillary industry has developed to support the primary sectors. This includes a strong presence of textile manufacturers and a vast network of packaging companies that are critical to the pharmaceutical and FMCG supply chains. Food processing and nutraceuticals. The region is also emerging as a hub for food processing and the manufacturing of nutritional supplements and Ayurvedic products, leveraging the availability of raw materials from the state. The business, opportunities and enablers. Despite its challenges, Baddi continues to be an attractive destination for manufacturing and business, driven by a maturing ecosystem and ongoing infrastructure upgrades. Third-party and contract manufacturing. Baddi is a hotbed for third-party and contract manufacturing, particularly in the pharmaceutical and cosmetic sectors. The existing infrastructure allows businesses to outsource production to established, WHO GMP-certified facilities, reducing capital expenditure. Pharma franchise (PCD) model. The region is the nerve center for the pharma franchise or PCD, propaganda-cum-distribution, business model, offering extensive opportunities for marketing and distribution professionals across India. Ancillary and support services. Growing industrial activity creates continuous demand for ancillary services, including logistics, warehousing, industrial maintenance, testing laboratories, and specialized packaging solutions. Government support and policy. The Himachal Pradesh government continues to promote an investor-friendly environment through the Department of Industries. Policies are geared towards streamlining procedures and providing fiscal incentives, although these are often linked to a mandatory 80% employment quota for bona fide Himachalis. Upcoming infrastructure boost. The much-awaited Baddi-Chandigarh rail line, with approximately 30% of the physical work completed by mid-2025, is said to be a game-changer. This will significantly ease the logistical bottlenecks, reduce dependence on road transport, and improve the movement of both raw materials and finished goods. The challenges. The true cost of growth. The rapid and often unregulated industrialization has left Baddi grappling with a host of critical issues that directly impact business operations and long-term sustainability. Severe environmental pollution. This is Baddi's most pressing challenge. Water pollution. The Sarsa River is critically polluted with industrial effluents and heavy metals, leading to widespread contamination of groundwater. This poses health risks and invites stringent scrutiny from the National Green Tribunal (NGT). Air pollution. With an air quality index (AQI) that frequently enters the hazardous category, Baddi suffers from severe air pollution, a cocktail of industrial emissions, vehicular smoke, and construction dust. Infrastructure deficit. While the rail line is a positive development, the existing infrastructure is under immense strain. Poorly maintained roads, chronic traffic congestion, and inadequate public amenities make logistics challenging and reduce the quality of life, making it difficult to attract and retain high-level talent. Shortage of skilled labor. Despite the presence of institutions like Baddi University of Emerging Sciences and Technologies, industries report a significant gap in the availability of skilled and semi-skilled labor. High attrition rates are common, with workers often leaving for marginal pay increases after being trained. Regulatory and compliance scrutiny. Due to the high levels of pollution, industries in Baddi are under constant watch from the Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB, and the NGT. This translates to a stringent compliance environment, where the risk of fines and operational shutdowns for non-compliance is high. Waste management crisis. The unscientific dumping of industrial, municipal, and biomedical waste remains a major operational and environmental hazard, further contributing to soil and water contamination. In conclusion, Baddi presents a compelling but complex proposition. It is an undeniable manufacturing titan with a deeply entrenched industrial ecosystem and promising infrastructure on the horizon. However, businesses must be prepared to navigate the severe environmental and infrastructural challenges, a stringent regulatory landscape, and a competitive labor market. The future success of Baddi will depend on its ability to strike a sustainable balance between industrial growth and environmental preservation.